Hey there, money-hungry viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of investments and financial trends. If you're looking to make your money work for you, then you're in the right place. Jim Cramer here, and let me tell you something, the market is a wild beast. It's a bucking bronco. Every day, it throws new challenges and opportunities at us. The key to mastering this beast is understanding its movements and trends. You want to ride that bronco to big profits? You got to stay ahead of the game. This means constantly educating yourself, staying updated with the latest news, and being ready to adapt at a moment's notice. The market waits for no one. That means knowing the hot investment trends. Trends are like signposts. They guide you, showing you where the opportunities lie and where the risks are. By following these signposts, you can navigate the market more effectively. They tell you where the money's flowing, whether it's into tech stocks, renewable energy, or emerging markets. Understanding these flows can help you position your investments for maximum gain. Ignore them, and you'll be left in the dust. The market is unforgiving to those who don't pay attention. Missing out on key trends can mean missing out on significant profits, or worse, incurring heavy losses. But hop on board early, that's how you make a killing. Remember, knowledge is power. The earlier you identify and act on a trend, the greater your potential for profit. It's all about being proactive and staying informed. The more you know about what's hot and what's not, the better decisions you can make. This means not just following the news, but also understanding the underlying factors driving these trends. Economic indicators, geopolitical events, technological advancements, all these play a role. Don't be a dinosaur stuck in the past. The financial world is constantly evolving, and so should you. Clinging to outdated methods or ignoring new trends can be detrimental to your financial health. Evolve with the market and watch your portfolio soar. Embrace new technologies, explore new investment avenues, and always be on the lookout for the next big thing. Your adaptability will be your greatest asset. Stay tuned because in the next few sections, we're diving deep into the hottest investment trends. From digital currencies to green energy, we'll cover it all. You won't want to miss this. We're talking about the future of money, folks. Don't touch that dial. The financial landscape is changing rapidly, and those who stay informed will be the ones to reap the rewards. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of investment trends. All right, let's talk tech. The world of technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and it's reshaping every aspect of our lives. From the way we communicate to how we conduct business, technology is the driving force behind this transformation. This stuff is changing the world faster than you can say algorithm. Every day, new advancements are being made, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's an exciting time to be alive, witnessing the dawn of a new era. And guess what? It's creating massive investment opportunities. Investors are flocking to tech stocks, eager to get a piece of the action. The potential for growth is enormous, and those who get in early stand to reap significant rewards. First up, we got AI, artificial intelligence. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. AI is transforming industries, making processes more efficient, and opening up new possibilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. Machines learning and thinking like us. This is huge. Imagine a world where machines can understand and respond to human emotions, where they can learn from experience and improve over time. That's the power of AI. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing everything. Autonomous vehicles are set to change the way we travel, making our roads safer and more efficient. In healthcare, AI is enabling doctors to provide more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. And the companies at the forefront, they're printing money. Tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are leading the charge, but there are also countless startups making waves in the AI space. Investing in these companies could be incredibly lucrative. Next, blockchain. Forget Bitcoin for a second. Blockchain is the real deal. This technology is about more than just cryptocurrencies. It's about creating a secure and transparent way to record transactions and track assets. It's a secure, transparent way to track anything of value. From supply chains to financial transactions, blockchain ensures that every step is recorded and verifiable. This level of transparency can help prevent fraud and increase trust in various systems. Think supply chains, voting, even your identity. The possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where voting is tamper-proof, where your personal information is secure, and where you can track the origin of every product you buy. That's the promise of blockchain. And then there's biotech. We're talking gene editing, personalized medicine, the whole shebang. Biotech is at the forefront of some of the most exciting and life-changing advancements in science and medicine. This is the future of healthcare, folks. With the ability to edit genes, we can potentially cure genetic disorders and prevent diseases before they even occur. Personalized medicine means treatments tailored to your unique genetic makeup, leading to better outcomes and fewer side effects. And the companies developing these breakthroughs, they're sitting on gold mines. Biotech firms are attracting massive investments, and their innovations are set to revolutionize healthcare. Investing in these companies could be a smart move for those looking to capitalize on the next big thing. So, how do you invest in this tech revolution? It's all about doing your research and staying informed. Look for companies that are leading the way in AI, blockchain, and biotech. Diversify your portfolio to spread the risk and maximize your potential returns. Stay tuned because we'll be talking stocks and ETFs later on. We'll dive into the specifics of how to invest in these cutting-edge technologies, providing you with the insights and strategies you need to make informed decisions. The future is bright and the opportunities are endless. Let's get ready to ride the wave of innovation together. Listen up, tree huggers and moneymakers. The green revolution is here, and it's not just about saving the planet. It's about making a boatload of cash. Solar, wind, geothermal, you name it. Renewable energy is the future. Governments are pouring billions into it. Companies are scrambling to go green. This is a mega trend you don't want to miss. And it's not just about energy. Sustainable agriculture, electric vehicles, green buildings, these are all booming industries. Investing in them is like betting on a cleaner, brighter future. And who doesn't want that? Plus, let's be honest, it feels good to make money while doing good for the planet. So, jump on the green bandwagon and watch your portfolio grow alongside a healthier Earth. Section 4, Stock Market Superstars, Top Performers and ETFs. All right, let's talk stocks. These are the engines that drive the market. Pick the right ones, and you'll be swimming in profits. But choose poorly, and you'll be left holding the bag. Now, I can't give you specific stock tips. That's illegal. But I can tell you what to look for. Strong companies with solid earnings, innovative products, and a bright future. That's where you want to put your money. And don't forget about ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are like baskets of stocks that track a particular sector or index. They're a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Remember, research is key. Don't just buy what's hot on social media. Do your homework, understand the companies you're investing in, and make informed decisions. Section 5. Crypto craze navigating the world of digital assets. Ah, crypto, the wild west of finance. It's a realm where fortunes can be made overnight, and just as quickly, they can be lost. The allure of digital assets has captivated the imagination of investors worldwide. It's volatile, it's risky, but boy, can it be profitable. The rapid price swings can be both thrilling and terrifying. One moment you're riding high on a wave of gains, and the next you're plummeting into the depths of losses. But tread carefully, folks. This is not for the faint of heart. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies have seen dramatic rises and falls. The market is unpredictable, and even seasoned investors can find themselves caught off guard. Dogecoin, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there. Each one promises something unique, but not all of them deliver. The sheer number of options can be overwhelming for newcomers. Some are legitimate projects with real potential. These projects often have strong teams, clear use cases, and innovative technology. They aim to solve real-world problems and bring value to their users. Others are pump-and-dump schemes designed to separate you from your money. These scams prey on the fear of missing out, luring investors with promises of quick riches. It's essential to be vigilant and skeptical. So how do you tell the difference? Research, research, research. Dive deep into white papers, study the team behind the project, and understand the technology. Look for red flags and be wary of projects that seem too good to be true. Understand the technology, the team behind the project, and the potential use cases. Blockchain technology is complex, but gaining a basic understanding can help you make informed decisions. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is highly speculative, and it's crucial to approach it with caution. Set a budget, stick to it, and avoid the temptation to chase losses. Crypto is a high-risk, high-reward game. The potential for significant gains is matched by the risk of substantial losses. It's a roller coaster ride that requires a strong stomach and a clear strategy. If you're willing to stomach the volatility, it can be a lucrative addition to your portfolio. Diversification is key. By spreading your investments across different assets, you can mitigate some of the risks. But remember, this is not financial advice. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals. Do your own research and invest responsibly. The world of digital assets is exciting and full of potential, but it's also fraught with risks. Stay informed, stay cautious, and always prioritize your financial well-being.